To FOIL or not to FOIL, that is the question, and the answer is not to FOIL. Let's look at the shortcut method. If you were trying to use FOIL, you wouldn't know what to do on this problem because that only works for two binomials, but I need a binomial times a trinomial. So let me show you the way you really ought to think about it instead of thinking FOIL. Think about taking this first term and multiplying it by every term in the second polynomial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this 2x times 3x squared. Then I'm going to say then I'm going to take that same term and I'm going to multiply it by the second one in this second polynomial. So I'll take that 2x times 5x. Then I'll take this first term in the first binomial and I'll multiply it by this last one. So I'll go all the way over here, plus 2x times, now careful, this is negative 2. Or I could have said minus 2x times 2, either one. Now I'm going to use the space underneath because I've used up so much of the space above this problem. So I guess I should have left a little more space before I started solving. But now I have a minus 4, so be really careful of that. You may change it to plus a negative, and then you'll be multiplying everything times negative 4. Or you may just think minus 4 times each of these terms. That's what I'm going to do. Minus 4 times 3x squared. Now, minus 4 times 5x. Minus 4 times 5x. Now, minus 4 times minus 2. I really suggest that you go back and check after this step because it's so easy to get something wrong, to leave off a negative sign, to leave off an x or an x squared. So let's just go back through and make sure we did this right. So we have the 2x times 3x squared, 2x times 5x, 2x times, oops, here it is, 2x times negative 2. Yep, that worked. Okay, now I'm going to look at the second term. Negative 4 times 3x squared, negative 4 times 5x, and negative 4 times negative 2. I promise you it's super easy to make a mistake and leave something out. Now let's combine each term in this big thing. So I'll multiply my coefficients. 2 times 3 is 6. I'll multiply my exponents. X times x squared is x cubed. I'll do the next term. Plus 2 times 5 is 10. X times x is x squared. Now I'll multiply these. Minus, because it's a minus 2 here, and I could say plus a negative, and that would be the same thing. Minus 4x. Now this one, minus 12x squared. Now this one, minus 20x. And this last one, plus 8. Because negative 4, negative 2, that's a positive. Now, I've multiplied all these out, and I have this line right here. If you wanted to, you could have skipped this step and gone straight to here, but you better be really good at this before you start doing that, because it's really easy to make a mistake. And if you went straight to this step, check yourself before you go on, because you can mess something up very quickly. So you would look at this 2x, make sure you did everything right. 2x times 3x squared, 6x cubed. Okay, 2x times this one, 10x squared, because make sure I've got both of the x's. 2x times negative 2, negative 4x. Then I'm going to check my negative 4 term, because that's what these are. Negative 4 times 3x squared should give me negative 12x squared, yes. Negative 4 times 5x, negative 20x, negative 4 times negative 2, positive 8. So taking that little bit of time to check is worth it. Now I'm going to combine the like terms. Okay, so I always do this in descending degree. So I'll start with my biggest power. So I'm going to go with 6x cubed, and that's the only one of those. Then I'll do my x squareds. Plus 10x and minus 12x is going to give me minus 2x squared. All right, and then I'm going to have well, not 10x and 12x, it's 10x squared and negative 12x squared. Then I'm going to look at my x terms, because I'm going descending order. So now I want x to the first power. Negative 4 plus negative 20 should give me, with the x's, that should give me minus 24x. And then my last term is 8. So this is going to be my answer.